In this video, we're going to go through a test to see how our bodies can tolerate the buildup of CO2 by doing the maximum CO2 exhale. And what this will do is this will find out our body's sensitivity to the buildup of carbon dioxide. What we're going to do is we're going to take a full breath in and we're going to fill our lungs up to capacity. And then we are going to take a controlled breath out for as long as possible, keeping that flow constant until our lungs are empty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count you in. So we're going to take a breath in and then we're going to start the exhale when the timer comes up on the screen. And I will explain the results afterwards. Okay, let's get nice and comfortable, sit up nice and straight. Make sure you haven't done like run around the house or you're not distracted. What I'd like to do is take a nice long deep breath in all the way up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and breathe in through the nose. Fill those lungs up all the way up, and in 3, 2, 1, start your exhale now. Okay, how did you do? If your maximum exhale was around about, was less than 20 seconds, then I'd like you to remember the number 3. If you were from about 20 to 40 seconds, then you need to remember the number 5 to 6. And if you were able to exhale for longer than 40 seconds, then you need to remember the numbers 8 to 10. If your exhale was 25 seconds or 20 seconds and lower, this means that you are quite sensitive to the buildup of CO2. If you were in that next range, 20 to 40, you have a moderate tolerance to the buildup of CO2. And if you were 40 plus seconds, then you have a high tolerance to the buildup of CO2. Now, the way that we can improve this score and our tolerance to the buildup of CO2 is we can take those numbers from our exhale from doing this test and we can practice box breathing using these numbers. So if you had below 20 seconds, 3 was your number. So then with box breathing, you apply the 3 to each side. So we'll breathe in for 3, hold for 3, out for 3, hold for 3, and then we'll repeat this. And this will need to be your new daily practice, and just practice it for a couple of minutes. You can do this whilst you're boiling the kettle or you're waiting for anything that happens throughout your day, or make it a focused practice. Now, this is something that will increase your tolerance to CO2 with this daily practice. And when you start getting used to that 3, what you can do is you can stretch it out. So then move up to 4 and then move up to 5, keeping the sides of that box the same all the time. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or drop me an email.